Well, today's the day. I am selling the Porsche 2011 Porsche Cayenne Turbo with the hybrid edition. Has 80,000 miles on it. I just put on brand new tires on it, and I thought I was going to sell it myself, but Carvana gave me such a good offer, I couldn't let it down. There's a couple of things that need to be repaired, and I just didn't have the heart or the money to reinvest it and have it repaired. For example, the sunroof doesn't open, the driver's seat doesn't move back and forth, and that's about it. So all in all, that's probably going to cost me over $1,000, and with Carvana, like I said, an offer that I couldn't refuse. They're on their way here now, and I'm outside waiting for them. She's ready to go, and we're just waiting. So it's simple as 1, 2, 3. They came, they saw, and they cashed me out. I can't say enough good things about this. You can see he's taking pictures of it. They're gonna hoist it up and tow it on out of here. They got my business for sure.